Good evening, everyone. My name is Judad Kagasan, and I'm here to show you in how to create your own program in SQL. So, first of all, in your Microsoft Visual Studio, you first create your own project, then click this SQL server, then click this and modify this, then you're good to go. Just click the OK. As I have already created my own data project and database, I will no longer need that. So without further ado, let's start. So in order to create your own database, just code this, the create database in caps locks, then your own variable. And I have already added my database into this project and the table also. So in my task, I will need to create two tables, namely the student details and class schedule. And according to this student details picture, I will input many variables that can act as a column in my table, just like the student number. This will handle any data that I will input next. So, and the constraint, this will constrain the duplicate data that I will uh, input, and the student number shall be the primary key. So, and the create table, the schedule also is based on this picture. So without further ado, I'm going to add my data into my table. So in order to add your data in your table, just code the insert into your variable of the variable name of your table, then the column variables and the values. So the student number is 22937-1. This is my student number in my school. So this will go under the column of the student number and so on and so forth in this values. So in order for me to see it, I will just code the select asterisk from student details and run it so that I can see my student detail value table, and it will automatically show me the data that I have entered. So in this task, there is the update your birthplace by adding the name of your barangay. So in this, I've already clicked the update, and this is the update student details, the code for the update. So before that, this birthplace column just uh, had the, the key here is the St. Bernard nationality. But after that, after I have updated it, the birthplace will be replaced by Himbangan St. Bernard. So the Himbangan in this line is added to the birthplace. So and also the data values of my class schedule table, I have already coded it. So as to lessen the time that I have to explain it. So just like the code syntax earlier in the student details table, this is also the code for the schedule table. And to see it, I just click this. I highlight it, and as earlier, it will show me the class schedule table. So in number 4, then Meta said that create a query that will view all the records where teacher is Bohyang G. So in order for me to create that, I have coded the select asterisk from schedule class schedule where teacher is Bohyang G. So I highlight it, then run. Then this will show the columns or records that teacher Boyang G came from. So this is it. So the result is 2 rows because teacher Boyang G is my instructor in these 2 subjects. So in number 5, I will also create the task said that I will also create a query that views the records where course number is EE 212 and the teacher is Anchita A. Comes. Then just like the number 4, the code is really similar, but I have added the and this happened. We'll just wait because the query is executing. And here it is. The result is this, the subject of fundamentals of electronic circuits. So, and as you can see, there are 2 fundamentals of electronic circuits subjects, but the the condition is course number is E8212 and teacher is in Cheetah A. Well, if you put the and, it will only true if the condition of this both course number of teacher is true, then it will only come true if this also is true. Then the result will be this. Then the number 6 is create a query that view records where course number is CPA 222 or teacher is Kasili. And just like the end function, there's also a or. So wherever these 2 will be found by the query, it will show in this result. So let's run it. So there are teacher Boya, then teacher Kasili in it because I have coded the or function. So in number 7, select all records where the value of column course title starts with an A. So the condition of this is to select the records of the course title that starts with a A. So I will use the like function to show you the results. Then don't forget the percentage. Actually, I have used W3 schools to know the syntax of this SQL. So make sure to uh, visit this website. So as you can learn furthermore of this program. So here it is, the result, the art appreciation, then assembly language, then the assembly language lab. So every course title that has the A, uppercase A will be shown in this. So without further ado, let's move on to the number 8. So in number 8, the task says that select all the records with the course title starting with any characters followed by appreciation. So I have coded that I condition that course title like are the my random character or course title like appreciation just as the task said is resulting to this the PE and the PE subject. So the R uppercase is the recreational and individual sports. So the my PE subject is shown this. Unlike the appreciation, I don't know what happened, but results show that only one is shown. So let's forget it and move on to number 9. So in number 9, I have data said that I have to select all records where the value of the column course number starts with any characters, followed by appreciation, followed by course number, oh, followed by any character, followed by E, then followed by any special character and number, and then is followed by 2L. So just like earlier, the condition I have set is similar, but just added in many variables. So the result of this is many subjects because I have conditioned the many many uh, what do you call this like the like function and the number 10 is also like that, but the course number and course title column will only be displayed. So here it is. Based on this CPE variables, this 6 is fit in this variable CPE. So in 11, the task said that that I will create a query that will view the first two records. So I have coded that select top to asterisk from class schedule, and this will result into this. So the top two is the numerical methods and art appreciation subjects mine. So and also The 12, uh, the delete the column schedule is just these two lines of codes. Very simple. Just enter the altered table class schedule, then drop the column schedule, and it will automatically delete that column. So if my previous table has a schedule and but after I delete it, this will be no more. So just view it. See, the schedule column has gone. And then in order to make up for that, the task said that I will add two columns, namely the room and day and time. Then supply the columns with the data from the deleted column schedule respectively. So the I coded that the alter table plus schedule will add the room and day and time columns into the class schedule table. So if I highlight it then run, it will automatically add the room and day and time columns. So in order for me to insert or update the data in these columns, uh, I have uh, coded the update plus schedule where set room is uh, the variables or the values is in line with this schedule, and where code is the CP2A and 12 this and so on and so forth values of data will be added to the room and day and time columns. So I will just highlight it, then it will automatically add in this room and date room, day and time colors. So after that, I will view it. And here it is. It shows that the update code will insert or update these values from null to this. So in 14, again, the task said that adding again another two columns, namely the date time coded and grade will be added to by table. So let's add it. The view. So the date time encoded or and grade columns are devoid of values, just null. But after I will add some data, it will automatically automatically refill that null data values. So for this, then I will just view it. And here's the result. So for the E212, E212L, so slight error. So, and here it is. This will need wait for it to happen. And here it is. And here it is. The result of this values that I have insert insert or update in this date time encoded and grade columns. So as to the the values that I have added, this is based in this task and also the current date time of my PC earlier, the 4:40 p.m. Then the date of this date of the day, and then without further ado, let us go to the 15, number 15. So in the number 15, the task said that write a SQL statement to find and display the average grade, having a column name as average grade in caps lock. So to find the average in these grades, I have coded that select average grade as average grade. This is the alias and this is the function. So to see it, I will run it. Then here it is. The average grade of this, the grades here is 90.34 or 35. Then in number 16, the code is similar to the 15, but the variables are different. So in the total units, the program is loading and I just wait it to appear the total units of my subjects. And this, and also in the 16, the task said that write a SQL statement to find and display the total units having a column name as total units. Total units. So I have coded that select some units as total units, then this is the result of this. So the total units of my ORF subjects is 26. Then onward to 17. So view all the records under the teacher column into uppercase. Uppercase column has teacher name in uppercase. So I have coded that select upper teacher as teacher name in uppercase is resulting into this. So the various teachers are various data of the teachers is uh, forcefully or is transformed into uppercase letters. Then how about the 18? So similar to the upper, the lower case is also will result this. So the code name in lowercase. If the code name earlier is uppercase, then this code will lower it just like that. In the 19, so that data length of, or the number of characters in the first number is, so this is the length, the course number or the number of characters, and here it is. So that's it. So the GCPE to 1 is seen as 7 in number 19. So in number 20, so the task said in number 20 that run off all the grades into the nearest hundreds. So I have coded that the select round grade and 2, this is the decimal to hundreds, and this, the result should be this. So earlier I have put out data that have round off to the thousands. So after that, I have coded that select round grade, then that comma 2, then this happens to be that the values that I have encoded earlier will result in the run off to the nearest hundreds. So that's all for my program. And as I have mentioned earlier, visit the W3 schools because this site has all the functions or syntax that I have coded in my project. So, without further ado, thank you for watching. That's all.